Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm making this video to show you this older Toro Wheel Horse 416H lawn tractor. So here it is. It's in really good condition for its age. I'm not quite sure how old it is, but I assume it's at least 20 years old. And it's hydrostatic. There's the engine. It's actually an ONAN engine. It's a really good engine. It's an opposed twin. And there's the specs on the engine. And you can see it's a really well built tractor. Look at the rear end on this thing, how solid that is. It's actually a little mini tractor as well. It's not just a lawn tractor. The fuel tank is underneath the seat. Here's the gas cap, and here's the dipstick for the hydrostatic oil. And this tractor here is made in the USA. And here's the belt drive system. There's a belt that runs the deck for cutting the grass. And there's another belt over here, and that's for the drive. As you can see, it's a nice solid engine, and it's also very clean. The last owner looked after this tractor really well. Even the front end has grease fittings, and it's nice and beefy, really strong. And you can actually get attachments for this tractor that will go on the front, like a snowplow. And because it's not my tractor, I'm not quite sure if there's a PTO for the rear. Anyways, I'm going to start it up just to show you guys how she sounds. Here's the choke. And the deck is hydraulic. This lever here is to engage the blades. Here's another quick start. Actually, this tractor only has 487 hours on it. Anyways, it's a really nice tractor. I wish it were mine. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.